Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the CRUIZR Thrusting and Sucking Masturbator. So let's get started. So this masturbator is a discrete penis stimulator which provides wonderful penis stimulation using both a sucking and a thrusting function for intense stimulation. Here are some useful measurements of this masturbator. So the inner length of this masturbator is 16.8 centimeters and the inner diameter is 4.6 centimeters. So let's take a look at the sleeve itself. Start by removing the cap like so, and it reveals the sleeve on the inside. It has a realistic vagina opening just here, and the material is soft and flexible as well, and has a studded interior for fantastic stimulation during use. When using this masturbator, we recommend to use it in combination with a water-based lubricant for extra comfort. This masturbator offers 3 thrusting speeds and 3 sucking patterns as well, so there's lots to choose from and combine as well. Let's turn on the masturbator. Make sure to remove the cap first. To turn on the masturbator, we're going to use the top button. Press and hold for 1 second and it's already on. Press on the same button to change the pattern. Use this button at the bottom to release. Make sure to press and hold, otherwise it will continue to suck. So, to turn on the thrusting, press on this button just once and it's already on. To change the thrusting settings, click on the same button and choose how far you're willing to go. To turn everything off, press and hold down. Press and hold on the top button, and it's now off. It also has a really easy grip handle here, so it's really simple to grip during use. So let's charge your masturbator. It's really simple and easy. Using the USB charging cable provided, find the charging port which is located at the bottom of the masturbator. We're going to gently slot it in like so, and it will begin to charge for you. Now the approximate charging time of this masturbator is 270 minutes, and we recommend to charge this masturbator before use as well. For more tips and tricks on how to use this masturbator, you can view the user manual via this QR code. Simply scan it on your phone and it comes up with the user manual for this product. Here it's available in 8 languages, so it's available for lots of people, and you can find things like what's included in this product, size and specifications, how to use and how to clean, so it's really handy and we really advise you to check this out. Now the next step. This is really important. You must clean your masturbator after every use. So we'll start by taking off the cap. The sleeve is removable and really simple and easy to clean. Gently pull the masturbator sleeve out like so, and it's out. Now to clean the sleeve, it's really simple and easy to do. You can use either a toy cleaner and lukewarm water, and make sure the sleeve is completely dry before using again, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. To pop the masturbator sleeve back in, it's very simple and easy. Gently push in like so, and you can also shake the masturbator to help it move back into place as well. Please note this masturbator is only splash proof. If you feel that you might need to clean some of the outer parts of this masturbator, we advise to use a very light damp cloth and gently clean as you need to. Now, after cleaning, push and twist the sleeve in the container from left to right, and once the sleeve is completely back in, as demonstrated, pop the cap back on, and it's ready to use again next time. And that is the CRUIZR Thrusting and Sucking Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.